Just look at this boy. It's lovely view here. Marvellous. Now this was the battery observation post which nobody used, which was purely for visual. I reckon that boat down there has got something to do with old Ron Morris. I reckon he's told him to go and sit out there. Yeah, it's all the same. I'm going right up here to Force Bridge up there. Yeah. So this was a wooden roofed thing, and I'm sure there was glass on it. But on the other hand, it was bloody cold out here, so I never ever spent any time out here. This wasn't really part of the radar. It was just another observation place. Yeah, I'm back in the old radar. Just imagine. I think you ought to chop down that other tree. Oops, careful with the steps, I'm not looking where I'm going. This was where the radar was. And that hole up there would be where the equipment which caused the radar paraboloids to move around. I don't suppose you can get a picture of that. Now, I'm trying to think, either the radar was there or it was in here, I'm not quite sure. I can't be sure. I think it was in here. I think the radar was rotating. With the two cathode tubes and the what do you call it? Where they picked up the signals, which was out there. That would allow be the reason why there was all this space for trunking and so forth. So it's probably just here. This is what I would say. Yeah. Over here. Out here as well. That will be the quick way through to the battery observation post. And there are steps here, or there were steps going ba-dum-dum. Not many, but a few. This tree ought to be cut down because it's going to spoil this completely. Call that a triffid. I'm going to take some pictures. Oh, I wonder if I can get a flash picture of that. These steps are actually shown on the Google picture. Not part of steps, but as a going down bit here, like this. Amazing. That's it. I'm here now. That was what the diesel, big diesel engine was on. Amazing now. Or fumed. The voice here was terrific. Oh, that big exhaust there. Oh, another building just back there. We're on the garden. Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, concrete for that. Would you sort of stand somewhere? Probably fill it first of all, then slightly more by me, and now all fitting. I reckon there's a trench there.
Well, seems to be a bit of trouble my side.
Be careful, you're not.
Yeah, I'm not going far because I think I should be alright.
No, I'm outside.
I was going to get a little bit farther along.
It's level here. No, you don't want just a corner of that. You want there's a window here.
Are you
Come round
getting?
there.
Are you getting? No, I need to.
Down the bottom. Right?
Yeah.
It's out. Okay. I don't know, look across the sea. That's it, lovely now. Keep like that. Look at that. Might have moved it. There we go.
Okay. No, I want
Yeah, that's a good one.
Can you see this? Let's have one with somebody leaning on here, taking the inside.
Yeah, you all have to go. I've done it.
Well, with your camera.
Do you want to be inside it?
Well, not if you've done one with somebody in it.
No, I don't. I took you there, didn't I, Phil? Didn't get you in the.
I
in
have
the
to
door.
go through there.
Yeah, it's easy enough.
Now I've got your camera. Let me have mine back.
What turn it in?
Well, I'm sure if you just stood here, I could take. If I stood
Don't go too
there,
far. Though.
if I stood there, and
What do you
you're
want?
leaning.
And print it, and then above it, draw the gantry. As it would have been. Here's where the gun was, Phil. Very gentle.
Oh, be careful. That doesn't look very safe to me.
There are steps coming up there. You can see where they will come up. There's something sharp there by your foot.
Yeah, well, I'm not coming there.
There we are.
Yes. Right. So, well, you just do that again, or
There we are.
something.
That's it. Yeah. Anyway. There was a concrete thing on
Careful
here
there,
which
Philip.
the
Careful, very careful.
this is where the gun was here.
Well, that'll make a nice picture. Stay where you are, John.
Have to come up here tomorrow. So the gun was on a big plinth there, but the gun was move-aroundable,
Yeah, now leave your hand out.
and all that rough stuff there was supposed to absorb the back blast. I forget what they call it now. A blast something, not shield, blast apron, a blast apron. That was it. $501.50. metal staves in there.